Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So this is our Three Rivers Challenge, Pantry Challenge first update. So this is going to be a short one. That's why I included a couple pantry tours, because I'm recording this on the 4th, the morning of the 4th. So we have not had dinner yet on the 4th of January. So this will cover the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. And I'm going to try to put these videos out on Thursday for the next several weeks to make sure that it's consistent. So I'm going to give you a quick overview just so you can see like the main place where I pull my ingredients from on a daily basis. So let me switch this. And this is it. So this is a 10 by 9 by 10 or 10 by 10 bedroom. And we have a lot of stuff. So this isn't it. This isn't my canning supplies. This is just store-bought stuff. So you can see I've got all my freeze-dried stuff here, supplies. It's a mixture of food and equipment. So there's a lot of equipment. And then I've got a ton of my freeze-dried stuff up here that's already processed. Paper goods, lots of store-bought stuff. Ooh, those chips fell. So this is canned goods. There's beans in there. The essentials. Just the essentials in here. Some coconut oil I have to process into smaller containers. Again, this is all freeze-dried stuff that I've freeze-dried over the last 3 years. Lots of baking stuff. Tons of those two totes right there. Those are all, that one and that one, those are all spices. So yeah. This obviously did not happen overnight. And this is the reason why I don't have to run out and go grab a bunch of stuff at the grocery store prior to a pantry challenge. Because, I mean, come on, y'all. Anybody need some macaroni and cheese? It's behind the chips. So yeah, I mean, this is a part of it. This is a part of the lifestyle. This is a part of the thought process, and we can get more into that as we go through the pantry challenge. And maybe we'll, if you want to, you know what, if you want me to talk about that, why don't you comment below and like the video, and then I can kind of like put together my thought process behind pantry preparedness, because this isn't hoarding. This isn't zombie apocalypse stuff. This is food security. So yeah, if you want to know more about that, leave me a comment below and we can sit down and talk about that. Okay, so let's see. I might go down into the basement and show you the canned stuff, but we might save that for another day, but we'll see here in just a second. All right, we are down in the basement. So this is where I keep all of the canned goods that I actually canned myself. So this isn't everything. Obviously, some stuff is in different locations, actually at another house. But this is the bulk of what I have canned. And I believe everything in here is probably, it's no more than 3 years old. Because I had a couple bumper crops and, oh look, hold on, let's see. Obviously, I've done some canning, so I got some of the canning stuff. That's like the supplies and stuff, so we'll just pretend like we didn't see that. Let's turn that light off. So this is also the home to my cast iron collection, which I am part of, dear to my heart is all my cast iron. So let me flip you around and you can see the canning shelf. Now, yes, y'all, I did build these canning shelves myself, and they are probably not up to standard or cabinetry work worthy of videoing, but here we go. So there are, I think, about 600 jars in here. Those go back. Let me move this. You can see how far they go back. They go back 6 jars, 2, 4, yep, 6 jars on average. And there's a ton of stuff up here. Now we can do a full pantry tour if you'd like, but just leave that comment below and we'll talk about it. And there's everything here. I mean, store-bought stuff. Look at all the stock I already had. Yay, I'm so excited about the stock. Tomatoes. Meat. Shout out to Lesa at Sutton's Days. Ugly chicken. Just all kinds of fun stuff. And then on this side, Christmas tree. This is where all the cast iron lives. So you can kind of see all the cast iron. And then all my bean storage is down here as well. So those dog food containers are all beans. So yeah, that's the quick and dirty. If we want to go through this, I mean, I can do a more detailed detailed view of what's actually in here as far as like what what we eat. We can go through that. That's not a problem. But just a little glimpse in this is why I don't have to go buy out a store right before Pantry Challenge, because the goal for me is let's go through what we already have so we can see what we eat, see what we don't eat, and then we can supplement back in the spring and the summer whenever vegetables are coming in and go, okay, now we know what we like, now we know that what we don't like, and let's use that as a jumping off point to grow and can the things that we're actually going to eat. First 3 days, pretty simple. I will say that we ate through all the bread. That was weird. I didn't realize we went through bed that fast. And we didn't buy any milk because that's on our list of $50. That's one of the things that we gave ourselves grace with, is milk, because we don't have a dairy cow. So I still have powdered milk. If I needed milk right now, I could go get the powdered milk and make it and we'd be fine. But we just finished. I still want the whole milk because I have kefir grains that I have to keep alive during this challenge. So we kind of need milk to do that. So that's why that's on the cheat list. What we're calling the cheat list, which is funny because milk's a cheat. Anyway. So we'll go through the dinners. The dinners were awesome. I think the biggest problem is we're eating from scratch, eating at home, and it's just good. So we made Louis Italian beef one night. We made burgers last night. Oh my gosh. And home, like fresh cut French fries. Oh, they were so good. We didn't have any leftovers. So, and the Louis Italian beef was so good we ate it 2 nights in a row. So this week has been pretty boring as far as meals go. Just because we're pushing through the leftovers that we had already had in the refrigerator. And so we really didn't have a lot of new stuff to make. I am finding it interesting to figure out what to have for lunch. So usually my breakfasts contain a couple eggs and some toast. So that's probably why we went through the bread so fast. So a couple eggs and some toast pretty much every morning. That's just kind of my staple. Lunches have been weird. Like I bought a bunch of avocados before we started the challenge, so I'm trying to eat through those real quick. Several bananas I'm trying to get through. And then just trying to find a protein for that meal it's been different. I had some kefir cheese made, so I've been using that to infill. And maybe, if you guys want to see lunches and breakfasts, let me know. And I can do that, like a day in the life of what Kris eats. Sounds really lame, but whatever. So, first 3 days, not hard. Not hard at all. We made a meal plan for the next 30 days. And the meal plan, we tried to make it real simple. We did on Mondays, let's see, Sundays. No. We'll start with Monday. Mondays are, oh my gosh, I forgot. I gotta go get my papers. I'll be right back. Well, that was funny. Okay, hold on. I'll tell you what we're doing. This is crazy. Oh, shout out to Kimmy at She's in Her Apron. The best planner on the planet. I'll link her video to this exact planner. This is the third year that she's had the planner, and I've bought it every single time. Tell you what, don't waste your money on any other planners. Okay, sorry. Kimmy, this thing is amazing. All right. Here we go. Here's my notes. Monday is chili. Duh. Chili Monday. So with New Year's being Monday, or New Year's Day being Monday, chili was not the menu. We did Louis. So chili Mondays, because I have like 12 things of frozen chili in the freezer, and then I also have a case of chili sitting on the shelf that I just showed y'all. Tuesday is leftover Tuesday because trash day is Wednesday, so we do leftover Tuesday so we can throw everything else in the trash if we have it, if we have waste. And I tell you what, now that we've gotten used to cooking for 2 people instead of 4, it's getting a lot better on the waste. Wednesdays is burger and fries Wednesdays. Now that translates to like sandwiches or, you know, sandwich chips or something that requires a wrap of some sort. Thursdays is Taco Thursday. We don't have Taco Tuesday. We have Taco Thursday because trash day is Wednesday. Just explain that. Friday is Fancy Friday. So we love to eat. We're foodies, big time. And so Fancy Friday is going to be something completely out of the ordinary. Something like if we've got steaks left in the freezer. Fancy Friday, we're having steaks. Anything that's just out of the norm. We have some ahi tuna in the freezer. I forgot I had. So we are going to have some ahi tuna steaks probably in the next couple weeks. I mean, why not? It's in there. And we're trying to get rid of it. So there you go. And then Saturdays is usually leftovers. And then depending on what's going on Sunday, we usually have like a brunch on Sunday. And so this is going to help us be consistent and figure out and eat those specific things, because we went through and looked at the inventory and said, okay, we got 24 cans of chili, quarts of chili. I would kind of need to eat those. So that's 3 months of Mondays just to get rid of the chili. So that's part of whenever I did the introduction. This is part of the reason why we do the meal plan. So let's dive into Kimmy's planner. Oh my God, I love this thing. Kimmy, this thing's amazing. Did I tell you that already? So here is the meal plan section for the week. So this is what we're eating this week. See it? It's so great. We already had to flip stuff because we forgot to thaw out the pot stickers, so we had burgers yesterday. So guess what we're having tonight? We are having pot stickers. Because I have leftover pot sticker meat from when we did pot stickers a while back. And we need to get rid of that, so that's what we're doing. The other section on this planner is really cool too, because it allows you to do like a quick inventory of stuff that you really want to get rid of. It's called Shop Your Shelves. And so we did that. And we got we call them leftover meals. I call them we're changing that name to freezer meals just because it's not leftovers. Leftovers is in the refrigerator. These are freezer meals. And we're going to start focusing on freezer meals too, because we found on Monday nights we usually revert to a freezer meal because it's a long day for both of us in the house. And then the menu plan and meal plan ideas. Brilliant. And then here's your shopping list if you need it. We have decided this is our cheat list. See, we made our cheat list right here. That's our cheat list. And it consists of $50 limit for the month. And it's milk, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, cucumber, carrots, spinach, and I threw in sour cream because life without sour cream. So if we need it within our $50, these are the things that we've allowed ourselves to buy during the month of January. Now, if we stretch this to February, we might change that, but we'll let you know. So anyway, that's kind of an update for this week. It's a short meal week. So yeah, next Thursday we'll have a full week, and we'll let you know as we push further into this challenge if it's going to become challenging or not. I think my creativity is up and crazy and fun because I'm excited about this. So hopefully this won't get boring, but we'll see as the weeks go on. So thank you for hanging out with us again. We really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye, y'all.